Guys, day 1 Ooty itinerary is out, so I hope you guys have now some idea that what you guys gonna do on your very first day. Main attraction in this Ooty lake is different types of boating that you guys can do. Needs to pay for the government vehicle at the checkpoint. The lake offers if you are someone who would love to explore pristine, densely nature's gift surrounded by the forest. So save this video for your future reference when you plan to visit for fishing as well. You can easily spend an hour or so chilling at this place, and be there in your list is the backwaters of these two preceded by the mountains and the perfect gateway for nature's gaze. People, how are you all? I'm here to make your day too much more happening by letting you know about the less crowded places and crazy places. The places are like quite far, approx around 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers, but it is worth visiting, I'm telling you. So in this video, I'm gonna cover about the details on Emerald Lake, Avalanche Lake, the backwaters of both Emerald and Avalanche, and in the end, I'm gonna tell you about the Ooty Lake, which is one of the very famous lake, one of the basic thing that one should also one tourist should also see if they wanted to have that look. But the other two places are like, ooh, awesome. And the topic about this place is I'm gonna cover is how to reach to that place. Is it worth solo travel or a group travel? Do you need can you travel via public transport, or you required a taxi or some rental vehicle or something to reach to those places? And lastly, the main attractions of that places. So let's rock and roll. So I planned for Doda Beta Peak on this very first day. I just thought that half of the day I'll spend my time at Peak and half of the day roaming around in the city, understanding the city. But it got flopped because the Peak was closed because of some work या फिर construction हो रहा था. So that was those local guys said, then I skipped it. I was just figuring out कि क्या करे. I did not wanted to waste my day just like that. So कुछ ना कुछ तो करना था. So I instantly figured it out कि क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है. There's this lake that I saw on my way, Emerald and Avalanche Lake, but it was quite far for me to reach, being on your very first day कि कैसे figure out करे public transport, and me being a solo traveler, solo budget traveler, I did not wanted to go via just hiring that private vehicle and just go with spending around 1600 to 2000 for a one person for a one way or the two way. So finally, लेकिन I strongly believe that everything happens for a reason. तो अच्छा हुआ डोडा बेटा पीक क्लोज था, अदरवाइज वहाँ पे नहीं जा पाती जो प्लेसेस मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी इस वीडियो में, that is Emerald and Avalanche Lake. Finally, I decided to go to Emerald Lake to cover that Emerald Lake. I asked to some local guys in some broken English. I was managing with Hindi English, very broken. And somehow I got to know that very rare buses goes to Emerald but not at all to Avalanche. So I boarded the bus to Emerald Lake. The distance from Ooty to Emerald bus stop is around 20 kilometers and time taken is about 40 minutes approx run. So I got down and started walking towards right for the dam. And I again asked the local guy that if I'm taking the right path or right route or not. So I asked them. So basically that's where I got my help, my first hitchhike in Ooty. I was fortunate enough to get a local guy to help me to explore these places. So I basically hitchhiked and he helped me to explore this Emerald. He took me to that Emerald Dam or Emerald Lake. And the moment I reached there, I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. I have never seen such an awesome view with the mountain color was super different, and there is a greenery around. Then you have this lake which is of turquoise color or very very different color. I am very bad in identifying those colors. Basic red, yellow, green, blue chalta hai, but that color, that water color, that lake color was so different. The dam was closed. You are not allowed to, get down to that dam, or you can just enjoy that moment. But the place was very empty, though it comes in top places, top famous places in Ooty, but it was very empty. There was no crowd around, and it was peaceful yet amazing. A little note about Emerald Lake, which is located in the upper region of Nilgiris district. The Emerald Dam offers you a perfect day overlooking the magnificent view. The spot is good for sunset as well as for sunrise, as this place welcomes tourists around 6 a.m. till 5 a.m. in the evening. Make sure you carry enough water bottle or water and some enough food with you, because there are no restaurants and the cafes around where you can fill up your tummy with some munchies. So situated away from the hustle bustle, this place offers peace and quiet so that you can relax in the lap of nature, because Emerald Lake is still pristine and less frequented compared to the other places. Second place I've been to this Avalanche Lake. Again, this is also one of the pristine lake or pristine place in Ooty. The distance between Emerald to Avalanche is 5.3 kilometers approx, and the time taken is around 16 minutes. Another hot spot away from the hustle bustle traffic, surrounded by the mountains, and the perfect gateway for nature's gazing. So the regular visit times are from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. There is no entry fees as such, but one needs to pay for the government vehicle at the checkpoint. The lake offers captivating landscape. It is said that its name derives from the landslide that occurs in the year 1923, as a result of which the lake was naturally formed. Third amazing spot should be there in your list is the backwaters of these two pristine lakes, that is Emerald and Avalanche. The unique part of this place is you will see both the lake at one spot. That is, there is one bridge that divides to two of the lake. The place offers mesmerizing nature's beauty to relax yourself, and also in the afternoon one can go for fishing as well. You can easily spend an hour or so chilling at this place and enjoy the time. Well, after covering these two pristine places, I decided to cover Ooty Lake as well, because मेरे पास time था. I know the place is pretty crowded, or it's not pretty crowded, it's too much crowded with so many people around, and those who would look for isolated place, secluded place with less crowd will not like this place. I can connect to your feelings, I can completely understand, but I had time to cover this, so that's why I covered that. So the main attraction in this Ooty Lake is different types of boating that you guys can do for sure, and that's it. This is the main attraction is there. You can, as well as you can buy some souvenirs, some shopping places there, so you can buy some authentics, and then that's the boating thing is all about that. So guys, the first three places, that is Emerald Lake, Avalanche Lake and backwaters of these two lakes, I would highly recommend to visit. That is definitely to be there in your checklist to complete when you are in Ooty's. Places are quite far, 25 to 27 kilometers, but will definitely justify your visit to Ooty. And the fourth place is Ooty Lake, which is completely up to you. If you have time, you can cover it. If you don't have time, you can definitely spend your evening or afternoon or your morning in these pristine lakes. Emerald and Avalanche place is fun when you are in a group of people or more than two people. So, and I would suggest if you guys are Going there, go by a private vehicle or rented vehicle because it's easy for you to reach. You don't need to find it out the places, you don't need to struggle for the location. Google Map will easily help you to access to reach to your destination, and you can also split your budget in multiple peoples or a group of 2 people. For a solo traveler, what you can do is you can board a bus just like what I did, and also if you get a chance you can hitchhike also. So once you get down to that Emerald Lake, so you can just keep walking and maybe you can figure out something just like I figured it out. I would say if you are someone who would love to explore pristine, densely nature's gift surrounded by the forest, so save this video for your future reference when you plan to visit to Ooty. Well, I am signing off to prepare next awesome release for you guys, where I will show you a day in Coonoor. Do connect with me on Instagram for my regular travel updates, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it and be my awesome subscriber if you like my content, my solo traveling, budget traveling, jugadu content, and also some comfortable content also. So I'll see you guys in my next release. Till then, travel safe, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.